here's the example I think you're looking for in section 8.3 on how to find all of these different parts. So here you have a female body fat and all these numbers. So if I take the body fat percentage before, I'm going to type that into list 1. Now you get there, let me just clear this out here just to show you. You're going to go to Stats, Edit, and then put into list 1. You're going to type these numbers in list 2, you're going to type the after body fat percentages. Now you need the difference when these are paired. So you're going to come over to list 3 and click the up arrow to select the actual list. And we're going to define the list as list 1 minus list 2. And so click second, the number 1, that defines list 1, minus list 2, click on second 2. Now we've defined what list 3 should look like, and we press enter. And now we have all the differences. You're now ready to calculate the statistics for these. And if you go to Stats, Calculate, 1var Stats, and you put in list 3, so that would be list 3, because that's what we're working with here. Okay, we're looking for 1var Stats, list 3, and there's your numbers. So there's your mean, 2.575. That's the mean of that. That's because that's the difference. Remember, D bar is the X bar of those differences. It's the mean of those differences. The standard deviation is SX, and that's the 2.076 that they show here. Now, to find the test statistic, we might as well take it the next step. We're going to go back to stats, and we're going to go to test. And because it says a t-test, and because this is we're dealing only with one statistic now, which is the difference, we're going to do just it's no longer a 2 sample, it's become a 1 sample because we've combined them together to become a test. And so the input is the data, because we have the data, okay? And the mu0, the test is that table below shows, let's see, so complete, find the standard test statistic. What are we testing? Claims, high density power decreases body fat. So we're testing that the difference is less than 0. So 0 is the number that goes in here. The list, okay, is list 3, because that's what we're working with, remember. There's no other frequency. The question is if that is less than 0, meaning that the difference, because we had the list 1 minus list 2, and we're asking if there was a decrease. We did decrease, so that would be list 1 should be more than, nope, it's going to be more than, 0, greater than 0, because list 1, if there was a decrease of body fat, list 1 should be the bigger one. So list 1 minus list 2 should be a positive number. And then we calculate, and our test statistic is there. I hope this helped you to get through these numbers. And then the p-value, which is less than alpha, which is 0.1, is going to tell us that we should reject the null hypothesis. There is enough evidence to support the claim, which is in the alternative. Okay? Hope this helped.